Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a griddle on a gas stove. First, place your griddle over two burners, typically front to back, to ensure even heating. Next, preheat it slowly on a medium-low setting for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gradual heating prevents warping and ensures consistent cooking. Always make sure your griddle is clean and properly seasoned before you begin cooking to prevent food from sticking. Once your griddle is preheated, apply a thin layer of cooking oil with a high smoke point, like avocado or vegetable oil. This helps create a non-stick surface. Remember to adjust your burner flames as needed. Different foods require different temperatures. You can cook a wide variety of items, from fluffy pancakes and scrambled eggs to crispy bacon and delicious smash burgers, all on your versatile griddle. Cleaning your griddle properly ensures its longevity. After cooking, while the griddle is still warm, use a scraper to remove any food residue. For stubborn spots, pour a small amount of water onto the warm surface to create steam, which helps loosen stuck-on food. Once clean, dry the griddle completely with a towel. Finally, apply a very thin layer of cooking oil to the surface to maintain its seasoning and protect against rust. To maximize your griddle's potential, remember that many gas stoves allow for different heat zones. This means you can cook various foods at their ideal temperatures all at once. Always avoid preheating your griddle on a high setting, as this can cause it to warp over time and lead to uneven cooking. For more great cooking tips, and to make your meal prep even easier, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.